Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, just know I'm addicted to Louis Vuitton, and if you are too, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing some unboxings. Can you guys guess what's in these boxes? Like, oh my gosh, who's ready to see? Alright, let's find out what it is. And I'm actually really surprised I didn't get this bag sooner. Palm Springs Mini in reverse. How cute is this bag, you guys? I love the little pocket on the front. It's adorable. I love that you can carry it like top handle, crossbody, or backpack. So cute. And we're going to make it a backpack today. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the straps. That way I can show you guys how cute. This bag is actually very versatile, and I think that is the best thing about it. Do you guys have this bag? Have you tried it? It's like so cute. Look how cute that is. This is backpack. How cute. And what do you guys think is in this box? This was gifted to me from my boyfriend, and it's actually really cute. It's part of the summer winter collection, and it's in shade light blue. But literally look how cute. It has little pumpkins on it, and then so it has like a white side, and then the other side of it is like a really cute blue, and it has like summer stuff on it, has winter stuff on it, and then fall. It's so cute. And clearly this one is the biggest of them all, right? Alright, let's see what it is. These are so cute. It is a Empreinte leather card holder in shade Noir. You see the deep embossing. It has one front pocket, a middle pocket, and a back card slot. These are so great for like your date night bags or your just grab on the go. I'm obsessed. And up next, this is from the new Crafty collection. It's so cute. It's the BB Bandeau in shade caramel. So one side is black and white and the other side is caramel. How cute is this for fall? And I saved the best for last. You guys know what my favorite color is. Obviously, I had to have the card holder in Empreinte and rose powder as well. It's so pretty. It's pink. It also has the front card holder, the second slot, and then the back slot. Obsessed with this pink. It's beautiful. And thanks for unboxing with me today, loves. If you love Louis Vuitton, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you loved this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, I will see you guys at the next video.